behind there. Some relaxing sun lounges here. Also a bar area over on the side. Okay, so just here, Petitenget Beach has its own swing, as 2,000 maximum price there. Just making the one there now with the chocolate. Hello. But this is quite a popular restaurant. Have a grass area here at the front. Good late afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So around about 5:30 p.m, not far away from sunset here in Bali. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour along Petitenget Beach. So Petitenget Beach is just off the main and very popular tourist street of Jalan Petitenget, which is home to a great collection of hotel and resort style accommodation. You've also got some fine dining restaurants, lots of nightlife on the street also, lots of boutique shopping, tourist goods shopping. You'll find it all on the street of Jalan Petitenget. So just off the beginning or the end of Jalan Petitenget, depending on which direction you're coming from, you'll turn onto Petitenget Beach. Now this beach is going to be featured in today's video. From my previous visits here, it's not really that popular with tourists. However, it is very popular with Indonesian. So when you step on the beach, you're going to cut across a bridge. Just before the bridge, there's a few sellers selling local Indonesian snacks and drinks and things there. As you get on the beach, there is some hotel accommodation and some nice fine dining restaurant options also. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a general idea of what you can expect from Petitenget Beach. So without any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so just in front of the camera there we have the street of Jalan Petitenget. You'll find a lot of hotel accommodation options on that street, restaurants, nightlife, tourist goods shops. Just in this direction we'll be heading back towards Seminyak Village, shopping mall, Seminyak Square. Just on the left up there is the Motel Mexicola, which is a night entertainment spot. This is where we're going to be heading to in today's video. This is the main gate entrance to Petitenget Beach. Just walk away down here now. Okay, so just in front of the camera, this is if you're travelling by car or motorbike, you're going to need to pay these guys here. It's 2,000 for motorbike, 5,000 for car. We have a big car parking area here. Have a few tourist goods shops over the side here. We'll just go and take those in first of all. So just along the side here we have all the typical tourist goods shops selling men's singlets, ladies' dresses, ladies' handbags, hats, caps. This lady's got it all in a shop here. Have more next door. Again, lots of ladies' dresses, hats, caps, singlets, t-shirts, sunglasses. Everything you'll need for the beach. Have some footballs, some stuff for the kids. Many things there. Some nice t-shirts, ladies' dresses. It's just a collection of shops there. Okay, so just from my shops over in the distance there, I'm now just at the main gate entrance to Petitenget Beach. We are walking direct into sunlight. It's not far off sunset time, maybe another 45 minutes or so. So just here we have some local places selling all of your local food. This one's got chips, sausage and things like that here. Hello, how are you? Have another one here, crepes 76. All your different crepes available there. Very reasonably priced, 15 to 20, 25 to 30,000 maximum price there. Just making the one there now with the chocolate. Just here we have a man selling a fresh sweet corn. This is normally 20k I think at the beach. There's your fresh sweet corn. 20, yeah? Just over here, he's trying to charge me for the video. We have another crepes here again. You see it's quite a few customers here. Just here we have another one. Hello. Just next door we have all of our drinks, coffee, pop ice, Nutrisari, which is a fruit drink. Quite busy here. Okay, so just leaving our little food stalls there, we're going to make our way to the beach now. So we're walking direct into sunlight, so the sky is going to be very white. Wow, super busy here at this beach. Some sellers here on the beach again, just selling all of our simple snacks and things like this. Hello, how are you? Many of the ladies here. And just look how busy the beach is. Wow. There's no real chairs or seating areas here, just people sat on the beach. Someone playing the guitar there. Okay, so just here, Petitenget beach has its own swing as well. You can see the children on there enjoying the swing. See how super busy this place is. Not too many Western tourists, however there is quite a few Indonesians. We'll just take a walk down to the beach and show you the ocean here. So you see we're not far off sunset. Looks actually quite wavy. People are just sat on the sand here. This one's sat on the sarong. These are actually tourists. Playing the football there. All coming towards the camera there. See, it's very popular. Some Western tourists here as well. And just down to the ocean. As you can see, it's quite wavy actually here. Many kids and families and people in the ocean there. Okay, so just at the back of the beach area now, there is a public footpath that runs along the back of the beach. Just here we have a place called Mano Beach House. Very nice looking place this. We'll just take you inside and have a look. It's got some nice relaxing sun lounges here. Also a bar area over on the side. Some music here. Some beanbag seating also. Very nice. Just here we have a swimming pool. Very nice. Seating area in the back here also. Very nice seating areas here. Okay, so we're just coming out of Mano Beach House there now. We're going to continue walking along the track, see what other places we can find. You see many people just sat relaxing on the beach, waiting for the sunset. It's mostly all Indonesian, like I say, there's not too much in the way of tourists. Okay, so just in the back here we have an Italian restaurant. I think you pronounce it La Lucciola, something like that. I shall add the link in the description anyway, but this is quite a popular restaurant. Have a grass area here at the front. Beautiful restaurant. There's quite a few tourists actually sat inside there. Downstairs and an upstairs seating area. So just continuing on from our Italian restaurant there. So there's not many Western tourists on the beach, however there is quite a few at that restaurant. Another fine dining, nice looking place here again. Wow. The Seminyak, that's called. There's quite a few tourists in there. A bit of the beach built up here. It's a very, very nice looking place, that. Back down onto the beach here now. A little bit more of a quiet area here on the beach. Okay, we're just a bit further down the beach now from our restaurants in that direction, and then just in the back here we have the Bali Seminyak hotel. Occupies a very, very big location here. There's a close-up view of all the rooms in the back there. Beautiful grass areas here at the front. Okay, so we're just reaching the end now of the Bali Seminyak. Impressive looking place, that. Beach here is so beautiful. This is one of the best beach areas of the Kuta, Legian and Seminyak areas. So smooth, the beach, very, very nice. And another place in the back here, not sure what these places are here that are coming out. They look like hotel resort complexes. Very grand, nice looking place this. Has a huge swimming pool here just on the edge. Wow. Okay, so just for an impressive looking accommodation now, we're now in another area here. This area looks a bit more busy here again. All of the surfboards, surf lessons and things up in the back here. Surf lesson here, it says. Tourists here. A major place here, playing some music, just coming up now. So some lounges and things here. Wow, look at this place coming up now. Tourists sat out here having the coconuts. Oh, some tourists sat in there overlooking the ocean. Wow, it's very, very nice looking place, this. Swimming pool behind there. Seating up above. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my beach walking tour along a section of Petitenget beach here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, up where I first started, that was mainly Indonesian, all sat on the beach relaxing there, great vibes. As I was making my way down the beach and got to the restaurants and the nice accommodation, hotel resort accommodation options. More Western tourists started to appear, and then right at the end there, Kudeta, oh la la, that was full of international tourists. Looks like really great vibes on offer at that place. So all in all, my personal thoughts on this beach location: this is a fabulous beach location, I think often missed by many tourists visiting Bali. It's got nice smooth sand, a little bit wavy in the ocean, but nonetheless you've got some nice places on here, great vibes, and all in all, like I say, I'd highly recommend you pay this beach a visit during your holiday stay here in Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, hope some of you find this video useful, and I shall say bye for now.